I just thought I'd make a really quick review video in regards to these KetoSlim tablets that I've been taking, and I just wanted to share my thoughts on them really, because I'm actually really impressed with them. So just to give you a little bit of a backstory, I've struggled to lose weight now for a few years. I've tried loads of different diets, never really got anywhere with them. I'd lose maybe a stone and a half, but then I'd end up just putting it back on. So I thought I would just give them a go, and I've been taking them for 3 months now, and I've lost 3 stone. I went from 17 stone 3 to 14 stone 3, which is really, really good for me. So they do work. I am really impressed with them, and if there is anyone out there that is wanting to give them a go or is a bit reluctant to try them, I would recommend them because they have helped me. Now, they're not a magic pill, so you don't just take them and then the weight just drops off you. It doesn't work like that. You do have to have a clean diet, but these have accelerated the weight loss. So I've definitely seen changes, so I'm going to carry on taking them, and hopefully I will lose a lot more weight. So KetoSlim, I would recommend them because they are really good.